a sport truly unlike any other. Cronum, which combines the talents of soccer, basketball, and handball, originated here in southeastern Pennsylvania. But through social media and other aspects, they look to continue the sport nationwide.
Cronum is the most fun sport you can play.
And it is quickly evolving, as there is a position on the field for anyone who is involved.
I wanted to combine the best of, in a way, sort of the ultimate mashup of team sports, or if you think of a musical analogy, music samples from one genre or another.
The best part of Cronum is it combines so many elements of the most popular sports in the world. You have the soccer, football aspect, you have the handball and basketball, and those are three of the most popular sports in the world, and you put it all into one field, and it just involves so many people.
There's something in it for everyone. If you like to play sports and you like to be active, you step on the field, there's a spot for you, and you will have fun doing it.
The sport that started out as just a game between friends is now becoming a national phenomenon, with fields going on in Long Island, New York, Jersey, and even starting up in Maryland.
It started off just me talking to guys that were at Villanova University or guys that were at Westchester University and other folks and inviting them to come try this thing out. And it kind of stuck.
Guys like Skylar Jenkins and Dean Camastro, Matt Noskow, these are all ringleaders that we have, and they're from Towson and Widener and Long Island, New York. I think the more people do it and the more schools that get involved, I think more people are going to raise their hand and say, I want to do it, I want to be the guy at Penn State University, I want to be the guy at USC, I want to be the guy at Texas.
While they have ringleaders from other universities, they are building their network through social media and have a pretty good following.
If you tweet at us, if you post on our Facebook wall, if you message us, anything, we hear you. If you send an email, I'm the person that's answering the emails, so I will immediately get back to you I'd say within 24 hours, and that's something that we really pride ourselves on.
So why should someone come out and try the sport of Cronum?
It's addicting, honestly. We have guys that literally say that they're addicted to Cronum now because it just was so new and so fresh that they're like, once they play one time, they're just like, I gotta get back out there.
Tell me what other sport you can head the ball, have somebody catch it, and then dunk it. I don't think that exists in any other sport.
I guarantee you when you play Cronum, it's going to be brand new, it's going to be very fresh, it's going to be a great workout, and you're going to have a bunch of fun. That's why you should play.
A fresh, new, challenging sport that is a spot for anyone. So go check out the next event Cronum has to offer by visiting their website at cronum.com. Reporting for Philly Sports Spotlight, I'm Mike McCoy.